If you love lip stains, e.l.f. has just come out with these new lip and cheek stains, and these are kind of like those Benefit products. So if you've tried those and you like those, maybe these will be a great dupe. I haven't tested them out yet, but I figure we'll test them out together and see how they work and see how good they are. So let's go ahead and dive right in and test out these new e.l.f. products, new makeup 2025. So I did get a bunch of different shades here. I got this one here called Pink Positive. And then I also got this one called Cherry Cola. And then I also did get another peach toned one. So I'm not sure how I can test these all out though. I know I could do one on each side, but this one is peach and this one is called actually Orange Crush. So I don't know how I could test it because usually they do stain your skin. So, but we'll see what happens. Let's go ahead, and I know I can test at least 2 of these out, but let's test out this one first. This one is called Pink Positive. And so it's a buildable stain for lips and cheeks. And it says Sheer For It Blush Tint. So let's go ahead and test these out. I am so excited. And you guys, I gotta tell you, I just used this new to me brow product from the drugstore. This is seriously better than high-end. That's like my new key phrase. I can't stop saying it because I found so much great makeup recently from the drugstore. I literally can't believe it. But this one, I'm not even joking, guys. This one is from Maybelline. It's called the Super Fluff, and it's a brow mousse. I did get this shade here. I'm not really sure. I'll link it down below. But you guys, I have tried so many of these brow gel products or tinted brow products. And first of all, the packaging is so cute. But I've tried so many. I never like them because generally they kind of get all over and they don't stay in place. And then you have to clean them up. It just takes extra time for me. But this does not do that. This is so amazing. Again, the packaging is so flippin' adorable. But let me go ahead and show you. It has the very small wand, like so many, you know, it's not that small though, but it does not get all over. I would have showed you. I'll come back and show you another day because I absolutely love this product. I used it today. I hope you guys can see because I think it did make a beautiful difference in my brows. It made them look much thicker and very beautiful tone from what I like, you know, not too warm. And so this is so amazing, and it keeps your brows in place and makes them look so full. And yeah, hasn't come off, hasn't transferred. So, okay, that's amazing. Seriously, I'm gonna come back and show you because that's really an outstanding product. So I did outline first though with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil, and then I just go over that. I use that to just kind of hold everything in place, make them look extra fluffy. So let's see here. Now here is the I almost call this Benetint. It's not, of course, it's a Benetint dupe. So if you want to, actually I'll come back to and we'll do Benetint on one side and one on the other, you know, drugstore versus high-end. So, okay, let's go ahead and put this on this cheek here. Now, here it is, very cute little applicator. And so I do have foundation on right now and concealer. And of course, I have my eyes on and things like that. So here is how it looks. It's very liquid, water-like, so feels weightless on the skin. I feel like that didn't give that much color. Maybe I'm spoiled because I've been using the Rare Beauty, you know, blush, so I'm kind of spoiled. But let's see here. Well, it does say it's buildable. So, and I do have on foundation. For me, I needed 2 applications though to get some color. It's very light. So if you're looking for something very natural looking, this is gonna be it for you. So it feels tacky, but I guess it's gonna dry down. But what do you guys think? It's very, very light. Actually, it's so light that I can probably go over it, or I'll put this one on side by side, you know, because I wanna try this one, Cherry Cola, because I feel like this is so light. The Benetint definitely packs more punch. It has more pigment, but let's just put this one underneath just to try it out. So this is a Cherry Cola. I just want to see if we can get some more color going on here. Is it just that one shade, or so this, or is what? It says they're buildable though. You could see, but that's a Cherry Cola. These are very, very sheer. So you definitely can build them up. If you want some more color, then you might have to, you know, you're gonna have to build up for quite a bit. That's really pretty, this Cherry Cola over Pink Positive, but this is like 4 applications now that I've gone in to get this color. So what do you guys think? That's a beautiful color though. So maybe if, you know, that's the 2 of them mixed together though, guys. But here's Pink Positive again. Let's just go. I'm just going to go. I was thinking this is going to be kind of like those Rare Beauty. You don't want to put too much. No, you can go ahead and put a bunch down at one time. There you go. With the next cheek, I'm just going to go all out. I'm just going to put a whole bunch at once and see. Because now it looks gorgeous. The more you put on, the better it looks. So, okay, on this cheek, we're just gonna go all out. Like I said, we're just gonna put a whole bunch at one time and see what happens. So, because you could see the first time I just put one little tiny swipe. I didn't know what was gonna happen, but okay, here is let's make sure, Orange Crush. And I'm just gonna put a whole, not a whole bunch, but you know what I'm saying. We're gonna put more on. So let's just go like that. So that's like 4 swipes and blend it in, press it in. It's very water-like, very delicate feeling. So I wouldn't use a brush with this. You just wanna gently press it into your skin because it feels very delicate. Now that was 1 application. That's beautiful. So you're gonna need, I think if you're like me, you want some color, you want a little more color, then, you know, just maybe don't blend too much. There, let's try that. Actually, because you see I keep blending. Let's stop blending. Let's just put some on and don't blend too much. Let it dry down. I think that's the key. And don't be afraid to put too much on at one time. And then just go ahead and just press a little bit, but don't, you know, maybe you don't have to even press, you don't have to blend that much. See, that's gorge. That's beautiful. Yes, that's the key. That's definitely the key to making these work for you. It might feel tacky, go ahead, let it feel tacky. Me, I like to keep pressing until it doesn't feel tacky anymore. You don't have to do that. You don't have to keep pressing. You could just leave it. So it's gorgeous because it's gonna dry down. You don't have to worry about it. If you wanna go over it after it dries with your brush maybe, just push it in. That's the way to go. When it's wet, let it be wet. You know, just let it dry on its own pretty much. Don't mess with it too much. And then it's absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I'm not joking. I hope you can see it. I'm just gonna put a little, now just to even them out, I'll just put a little Cherry Cola on top of this one. Just maybe we could try to get the color to look more uniform, you know, more of the same. But let's try that method again. Just don't press too much, you know, let it stay wet. Don't, like, girl, step away, take the fingers away. You don't need to keep pressing. You know, stop blending, stop. Let it, yeah, because it melts into your skin. Leave it be. And then once it dries down, just wait like a minute and then maybe take your brush and just press the edges and things like that. And it's gonna look, this is so gorgeous now. I love it. Wow. At first I was thinking, wow, I can't believe this. I'm not, because I'm a makeup addict. So generally I love almost all the makeup that I try. But this, yeah, I was afraid. I said, oh, I don't think this is for me. But no, this is gorgeous now that I figured out how to make it work. So yeah, once it's dry, pretty much dry, you know, just press the edges in like so. That's gorgeous. Wow. I'm in love. I'm in love with another e.l.f. product. Now, it just depends what color look you're going for, because this one is pinker and this one, because we put the peach down first, it has the peachier tone, but isn't it gorgeous? These are definitely winners. Wow. I'm shocked. This e.l.f. is like, no wonder people get mad when e.l.f. dupes them, because they really do make better products. So that's why people are up in arms about it. Okay, let's put on a little bit of powder. Let's just put on a little bit, you know, just to bring the look together. And then I do have, I'm not sure if this is new to me, but it's, this is just a little setting powder here, just because I had concealer on. And so now I'm just gonna finish the look up because I had on the concealer. So now I'll do my regular routine. I always put a little powder on over my concealer to just set everything. So there is that. And it looks beautiful under the setting powder. It's not getting washed away. It's staying beautiful and vibrant. This is just some Halo Glow setting powder from e.l.f. It is talc free. Look at how beautiful. Oh my goodness. It is absolutely stunning under the powder because it just kind of, you know, it just looks even more, I don't know, effortless and just beautiful. I actually want to put more powder because it looks, I love it. It looks so beautiful. Lit from within, natural. Okay, let me just take off this lip and then I'm going to try that I keep calling it Benetint, but it's actually, what is the official name? Sheer For It Blush Tint. So I'm going to try it on my lips. I'll be right back. So I'm going to put Pink Positive on my lips. I just took off what I had I had on some of just a lip balm. But here is Pink Positive on the lips. That's a very pretty color. It's definitely pigmented. I didn't think it was going to show up on my lips because at first I thought it looked very sheer on my cheeks. It is showing up though. So again, just let it dry. Don't, like me, I always want to keep touching things, blending. Just don't just let it be. Let it dry. These cheeks are just, oh my God, this is wild. This is like super affordable and truly better than high end. And actually I do want to spray my face really quickly. I just want to see if this blush is just going to look even better. Because usually when I spray my face, yes, look at that. That's just the Patrick Star One Size Beauty. This is the Powder Melt Setting Spray. Love it. It's really, really beautiful. I just want to see how it looked with the setting spray, if it would look even more better. It really does. This blush is insane. Wow. So, okay, here is a e.l.f. lip liner. This is the Cream Glide lip liner in Espresso Martini. So let me just make sure. Yes. This might be too dark. I'm not sure for this lip, but let's just try it out. And yeah, this is not the right color. I don't think this is a good look, but let's just keep it moving. Let's just see what we can do. Actually, it's, you know, when you blend it out, it looks way better. But this lip is gorgeous. This Pink Positive is so beautiful. See everything once, that must be what it is too. You gotta let it melt into your skin. Because when I first put this on my lips, it was not this color. And it melted into my skin and it turned this gorgeous color. Do you guys see that? I mean, I know that I put the lip, you could see the lip liner though. And the color of the Pink Positive, it's beautiful. But this is budge proof. Transfer proof. And I do have this new color shade here. This is a new, well, this is new to me. I'm not sure if this is actually that new, but it's the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Melting Lip Balm. But I got a new one, and this one is called, I think this was called Strawberry. I guess I threw out the packaging, but this one is, I believe, Strawberry Sprinkles, but it's strawberry something. Okay, this one I tried. It was so gorgeous, but let's try it over this tint and see how it looks, you guys. Oh my gosh, this is really crazy. The shine, the color, oh my gosh, this is better. I just bought a bunch of lip products. I bought some new Laneige. This is better than the Laneige that I bought. Oh my gosh, it's better than anything. It's truly better than any of these lip products that I have. It makes me almost like a little mad. Well, because I just bought them. If I had known, I wouldn't have bought them. Because I bought 2 Laneige new lips. I bought this one, but this one does have SPF 40. But this is from Supergoop. It's called Glow Gloss. Except this does have SPF. This has SPF, so I'll give it that. But this is better. So guys, this is the finished look that we kind of put together today. Oh my gosh. I am so in shock. I don't think I've ever been so in shock with makeup, because this blush is just absolutely stunning. The lip gloss, or the lip balm, or the lip butter, as they call it. I believe it's a lip balm. This lip, oh, everything. But this is outstanding, because this is better than, like I said, better than all of the blushes, liquid serum blushes, the blush tints that, you know what I'm saying. Oh my gosh. It's just unreal. I mean, this is amazing. And I do have the Vanilla Toffee one too, but the Vanilla Toffee one is a nude color. They're actually tinted, these balms. So this one has a beautiful pink tint, which is gorgeous. Oh my God, my lips feel incredible right now. I don't know what to say. This is just the best makeup ever, and just happens to be super affordable. So regardless of price, what can you do, guys? It's the best. So let me know if you've tried these yet. I'll have them linked down below with the shop with YouTube feature. Oh my goodness. And you know, if I didn't put the gloss on top, bet you this would last for hours. I'll get back to you and let you know, but because these tints, they just don't budge. So that's so great, especially for summer makeup, because, or if you just want your makeup to not budge, because if you're in the humidity, it's not going to melt off your face. It's going to stay put. Everything's going to stay put. Oh, and I have to just give it up again, recommend this again, because this Maybelline Super Fluff, better than the highest of high end as well. So we have really hit jackpot today, guys. We've hit the jackpot. We've hit the makeup jackpot. These things, these items, these makeup products are absolutely amazing. So wow, wow, wow. And e.l.f., thank you for making these products for us, because these are amazing. So anyway, guys, let me know if you've tried any of these. Let me know if you will be picking them up. Let me know your favorite products that you found lately. And again, I'll have everything linked down below with the Shop with YouTube feature. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.